children, today we are going to discuss about chapter 3 linear inequation. The before videos we discussed some sums regarding one variable. In this video we are going to discuss about the same linear equation with number line. That means we got to represent the number line by using the solution set. Okay, let's solve the sum. Represent the following inequalities on real number lines. That means we have to represent the number line for the solution set. So first sum we are going to solve. That means in the first sum the question is 2x minus 1 less than 5. That means 2x is in the left hand side. The constant value is moving to the right hand side. That means minus 1 is changed as plus 1. So 2x less than 5 plus 1 6. X less than 6 by 2. Cancelling 3 2s are 6. X less than 3. That means we have to write the solutions for this x value. That means x less than 3. The value should be less than, smaller than 3. So we are writing 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is a solution set. For this solution set, we have to draw the number line. So here we are putting a line, that means x-axis, and the dark line is the solution set of the line. See, we are marking the solution set as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 2 up to 2. Because we didn't represent the 3, there is no equal to. So up to 2 we have to stop. The dark line is the number line represented in this sum. Okay, in the second sum they are given 8 greater than or equal to x greater than minus 3. Here two symbols are there, that means greater than or equal to greater than. So we are splitting into 2. 8 greater than or equal to x as one value and x greater than minus 3. For this we are writing the solution set. So we have to write the greater number of minus 3. That means greater number of minus 3 means minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to 8 we have to stop, because in the sum there is another one value is there greater than or equal to 8. So up to 8 we have to stop. For this solution set we are drawing a number line x-axis. In that we didn't represent a minus 3, so we put in light color, and other all the numbers are in the dark line. That means minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we represent the line. In this way we have to solve the sum and we have to represent the number lines. In this we can solve some more sums. Second question, represent the solution of each of the following inequalities on the real number line. Same, we have to solve the sums and we have to by using that solution set we have to draw the number line. So here we are going to solve the first sum. The first sum they are given 2 minus 3x greater than 7 minus 5x. So here we are interchanging x value in one side and constant value in other side. So in left hand side x value is there, minus 3 is in the minus 3x is in the same place. Minus 5x is changed as plus 5x after interchanging. Greater than 7 is in the same place. Plus 2 is changed as minus 2. Here minus 3 different sign. So subtracting. So we get 2x greater than 7 minus 2, 5. So x greater than 5 by 2. After dividing 5 by 2, we get x greater than 2.25. See, in this value, it's a decimal value. The decimal value, if we compare this value is nearer to the 2, greater than 2. So, we write this value as starting the solutions as 2.5. Sorry, here it's 2.5. So 2.5 is nearer to x greater than 2. So we started from 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means greater value of 2. Greater value of 2 means bigger value. So we write 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So here the dark line is they represent the solution on number line. So x-axis they represent the dark line is the number line of this sum. They represent the number line from 3, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, etc. It will go up to some numbers. Okay, let us solve another sum. So here, if x belongs to real number and minus 1 less than 3 minus 2x less than or equal to 7, evaluate x and represent it on a number line. That means they are given x belongs to real number and they are given the question. We have to find the x value. Evaluate x means we have to find the x value and we have to represent the number line. Draw the number line. See, in this question, two symbols are there. That means less than is one symbol and less than or equal to one symbol. So we are splitting into two. Minus 1 less than 3 minus 2x is one part. 3 minus 2x less than or equal to 7 in other part. Okay, we can solve individually. First sum we are going to solve. See, in the first sum, minus 1 less than or equal to 3 minus 2x. So we are transferring x value in the left hand side and constant value in the right hand side. So we are transferring minus 2x. So it changed as 2x. Then less than 3 is in the same place. Minus 1 transfer to the other side. So plus 1. 2x less than 3 plus 1, 4. X less than 4 by 2. So cancelling 2, x is equal to x less than 2. So for one section we get x less than 2. Then we are going to solve other section. Next section, that means 3 minus 2x less than or equal to 7. Here we are solving 2 is in the left hand side and we are transferring the constant value. That means plus 3 is changes minus 3. So minus 2x less than or equal to, both the signs are different. So we are subtracting, we get 4. So here one rule we have to follow. That means rule 4. So we have to divide a same number minus 2 for both sides. So minus 2 and minus 2 cancel. 2 cancel, 2 2s are 4. So the x value is x greater than or equal to minus 2. In this we have to change the symbol also. So x less than or equal to minus 2. So one sector we get x less than 2. In another section we get x less than or equal to minus 2. So here we are written as 2 less than or equal, 2 less than x greater than or equal to minus 2. That means the value is started from less value of 2. That means lesser value of 2 means 1, 0, minus 1. And we have to stop up to minus 2 because the other value is minus 2. For this solution set, we have to draw the number line, x-axis. The numbers are there. We are starting from minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and we have to stop up to 2. This is the dark line is to represent the number line. Okay, we can solve one more sum. If 5x minus 3 less than or equal to 5 plus 3x less than or equal to 4x plus 2, express it as a less than x, x less than b and then state the value of a and b. That means they ask us to find the x value. After that we have to find the state the value of A and B. We have to mention the A value and B value. They are given the procedure. That means the form is like this. So after that we have to represent the A value and B value. See here in this sum there is two symbols are there. So we are splitting into two. First one is 5x minus 3 less than or equal to 5 plus 3x. And another one 5x 5 plus 3x less than or equal to 4x plus 2. So here we are going to solve the first sum, first section. That means see we are transferring all this value, x value in one side, 5x minus 3 less than or equal to 5 plus 3x. So we are transferring in same place the x value in the left hand side. So 5x minus 3x, the plus x is changes, minus 3x less than or equal to 5, minus 3 is changed as plus 3. So both the signs are different. So 2x less than or equal to 5 plus 3, 8. Then x less than or equal to 8 by 2, 4. So the answer is x less than or equal to 4. X less than or equal to 4 in one section. Then another section we have to solve. That means one section is 5 plus 3x less than or equal to 4x plus 2. Interchanging 3x, that minus plus 4x is changed as minus 4x less than or equal to 2 minus 5 plus 5 it changes minus 5. Both the signs are different. So bigger number sign x less than or equal to both the signs are different and put bigger number sign minus 3. So we get minus x less than or equal to minus 3. In this we have to remember the rule 4. If it is negative sign we have to follow the rule 4. So here we are solving like this, x less than or equal to minus 3. So here we are following rule 4. So minus x divided by minus 1 minus 1. Here also same divided by minus 1. Here minus and minus cancel. Here also minus cancel. The answer is x less than or equal to 3. So we have to change this symbol also. So x greater than or equal to greater than or equal to 3. So we get we have two sections. We split into two and we find the answer. One value for x value, one side is x less than or equal to 4. The other side x greater than or equal to 3. So in this form we are writing that x less than or equal to means x less than or equal to 3. This is the 3 value. So 3 less than or equal to x, that means greater value, less than or equal to 4. So lesser value. So we write like this, 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Now we know this is the a value, a equal to 3 and b equal to 4. I think you all understand the concept. Keep practicing. Watch the video, subscribe the video and share the video. Thank you.